Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible? Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible? Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, do we have the class today? Wait,
Yeah, we'll check,
no.
sir. 2 minutes, sir.
Okay, sir. Hello, am I audible? Can you hear me? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. So in the last class, we did some questions related to motion in one dimension. I think we studied about motion under gravity. So today we'll be continuing the same thing. We'll be dealing something related to motion under gravity. Before that, I need to tell you something about distance traveled in nth second. This is an important topic. Distance traveled in nth second. Nth second. What is nth second? So for example, if I ask you, the body traveled with zero velocity initially and acceleration given was 2 meter per second square. So it traveled for some distance, let us say that. 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, 0 second, 1 second, 2 second, third second, 4 second. So after 4 seconds, what would be the distance? So what would you do? You will say that S is equals to ut plus half at square. So it will be, sir, u is 0 plus half into a is 2 and t we are taking for 4 seconds, so 4 square. So it will be 16 into 2 by 2, that is 16 meters. So from 0 to 4 seconds, the body will travel 16 meters. This is what you'll say. Say yes or no,
Yes, sir.
right? What will you do if I ask you for 3 seconds? So you'll do the same thing. Half into 2 into 3 square. So it will be 9 meters. So from 0 to 3 seconds, it is 9 meters. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So what if I ask you to calculate the distance traveled in the fourth second? Not 4 second, fourth second. So what is the fourth second? 4 seconds means from 0 to 1. Okay, 1 minute. From 0 to 1, it is the first second. From 1 to 2, it is the second second. From 2 to 3, it is the third second. And from 3 to 4, it is the fourth second. Okay. From 3 to 4, it is the fourth second. So can I say that in 4 seconds, just at 1 second of 3 to 4, so it traveled S4 minus S3. S4 and minus S3 is 16 minus 9, that is 7 meters. That means in the fourth second, it traveled for 7 meters. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So we have a direct formula. You understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Fourth
Yes, sir.
second, exactly fourth second. Okay, fourth second. If I'm asking for second second, so second second will start from say time is equals to 1 to time is equals to 2. So what you do, you have to calculate distance traveled in 2 seconds minus distance traveled in 1 second. Right? First write it down. We'll be moving on to the next page. Tell me if it is written. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
All right. So to do the same thing, like for example, if the body has traveled from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, okay? So 6 seconds. So if I ask you what is the distance traveled in third second, just in 1 second duration of the third second. So from 0 to 1, it is the first second, from 1 to 2, it is the second second, and from 2 to 3, it is the third second. So distance traveled in between this time period. So that is the distance traveled in third second. So what will you do? You'll take distance traveled in total in all 3 seconds. Distance traveled in all 3 seconds minus distance traveled in all 2 seconds. This is how you will be doing it. But there is a direct way to solve this. There is a direct way to solve this, and that formula is S of nth, distance traveled in nth second. That is u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. U plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Understood? So the same thing I could have done for the previous question. What you did, you traveled, you calculated for 4 seconds, you calculated for 3 seconds, you subtracted, you got 7 meters. Okay, so I'll take acceleration 2, I'll take time, I have to calculate for the 4th second. So I'll put in the values like this and see, I'll get the answer. So I need the displacement traveled in the 4th second, right? 4th second. So u was 0, acceleration was 2, and 2 into 4 minus 1. N is the nth time of time that you want to calculate the distance. Nth time. So it will be 1 into 8 minus 1. That is 7 meters. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Write it down. So this is how we calculate the distance traveled in nth time period. After writing, can somebody tell me that is this dimensionally correct? Is this formula dimensionally correct or not? Can you tell me, is this formula dimensionally correct or not? Tell me. Have you written this first?
Yes, sir.
Check the dimensions of this formula.
Sir, we working on it, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
the equation is not dimensionally correct, sir.
All right. But this is dimensionally correct. Whatever you were calculating, that is also correct. See how. So this is nth. But the basic thing is that this is u into 1. This time is 1 second that we have considered as inbuilt. That is inbuilt. 2n minus 1. This is the time. N is time. And this is into 1 second again. Now find it. You just multiply it with time 1 second. Now find the dimensions.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
Actually, we have considered there was a time. The time was missing, na? That time was missing. One time was missing, isn't it? In the dimensions.
Yes, sir.
So that time that is there. That it is u into t plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1 into t. But this t is 1 second. This t is 1 second. Understood?
How, sir? 1 second.
See, how do we calculate this SNth formula? SNth. So this is SNth minus Sn minus 1. If you want to calculate for the fourth or third second, what will you do? You'll calculate the total distance traveled for 3 seconds minus total distance traveled for 2 seconds. So similarly, SNth means S till n S till n minus of S minus 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So what is distance traveled in n second? It is u into t plus tn plus half into a into tn minus 1 whole square, sorry, tn whole square minus of u into tn minus 1 plus half into a into tn minus 1 whole square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
So it will be u into tn plus half into a tn square minus u into tn minus 1 minus half into a tn minus 1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So
Yes, sir.
this will get cancelled. Sorry, this won't get cancelled. 1 minute. So if I write it like this, u, what would it be? It will be u into tn minus u into tn minus 1 plus half into a into tn square minus half into a into tn minus 1 whole square, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
SNet. So this will be u common tn minus 1 plus half into a into t, that is a common. So it will be tn square minus tn minus 1 whole square, right? So what is tn minus 1? Tell me. Tell me.
Plus
Tn minus of tn minus 1.
plus
It is 1 only. Tn means nth second. Let us say the third second. And tn minus 1 the second. So this minus this will become 1. Isn't it? Agree
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Tn minus 1 is what? Just the previous number to this. So a number minus previous number gives 1 only. Now here, half into a into tn square minus tn minus 1 square. This is what you have to substitute then. Now see here, how do we do that? So basically, it is tn minus 1 whole square. So if we represent this plus half into a, so it is tn square minus of what is a minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square, sorry, minus 2 into ab, right? So u into 1 plus a by 2, it is tn square minus tn square minus 1 plus 2tn. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
This cancels. So it is u into 1 plus your a by 2 into 2tn minus 1. So u into 1 and this there is one more 1 here. So this we do not consider. That's why we just write u plus a by 2 2tn minus 1. Now understood?
Yes, sir.
So this 1 is hidden. This is already there, but that is hidden. Okay. So basic formula is what? Basic formula is SNF is equals to u into t plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1 into t. But this t is how much we consider? This t we consider as 1. 1 because we are calculating for just 1 second. Either 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 for just 1 second duration. So that's why this formula becomes u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. So whenever if they ask you whether this formula is dimensionally correct or not, so what would you say? It is?
It is correct, sir.
It is correct. And what is hidden there? The time is hidden. Very
Okay.
less people know about this. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Write it down. Okay. The previous page now. Write it down.
Sir, from before slide, sir.
Okay. Quickly write it down.
Sir, next slide, sir.
Is it done?
No, sir. Few more minutes, sir. The next slide.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Ritin, shall we move on?
Sir, few more minutes, sir.
Few more minutes. Write it fast. You should be having that fast writing capability. Isn't Yashwant present today?
He is
Do we
present,
have
sir.
Yashwant here? Where is he? Not sitting in the front nowadays? Yashwant, are you solving questions?
Sir,
Why are you not sitting in the front nowadays? Are you solving questions? You're not asking any doubts? Nobody is asking doubts. That means nobody is solving questions. This is not good at all. How many questions do you solve, Yashwant? Tell me. How many questions do you solve every day?
10 questions, sir.
10 questions only.
Yes.
This won't do. Are
Okay,
you
sir.
preparing for J? Are you preparing for JEE?
No, sir.
Then
Need, sir.
NEET. So I think you should at least apply 100 questions a day, and that too in 2.5 hours, not more than that. You should sit for around 50 questions 1 hour, and then again 50 questions 1 hour. 2 hour sets daily for physics.
Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
You should, because if you want to do something, then you'll have to work for it. Otherwise, it is of no use.
Yes, sir.
Written, shall we move on? I have a question for you from here. Question says that, so a body covers a distance of 20 meters in the seventh second. Okay, and 24 meter in the 9 seconds. 24 meter in the 9th second. You have to calculate how much shall it cover in 15th second. So I'll just give you a hint. 0, 1, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So distance covered 20 meters in the 7th second. What is the 7th second? So 7th second starts from 6 and ends at 7. This is the 7 seconds, not 7 to 8. It is 6 to 7. See here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th second. So during this period, the body covers 20 meter. Apply that formula. Something will be missing. Next, it covers 24 meters in the 9th second. 9th second will be 8 to 9. So during this, it covers your 24 meters. You have to find for 15th second. 15th second will start from 14 and end at 15. So two datas have been given. There are some unknown values here. You try to calculate those unknown values from these two datas and put it in this data to get this displacement. Try to solve this. I've given you the hint. Did you get the answer? Anybody got the answer?
No, sir.
Shall I solve it? You want
Sir.
some more time?
Sir,
Yeah.
they are asking. Sir, 5 minutes wait, sir.
Okay, I'll give 2 more minutes and then I'll solve it.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir,
Any answers?
the answer is 36.
36. Who solved that?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Really good. Appreciate it. See here. So first of all, we have the data for 7 seconds. So for 7 seconds, it will be u plus a by 2, 2 into 7 minus 1. We have neither been given with the acceleration nor with the initial velocity. See, whatever distance we calculate for 7 or for 15 or for 9, the u will be same and the acceleration will be same because they all of them have started from the same initial level. Now for 9 seconds, it is u plus a by 2 into 2 into 9 minus 1. Okay, so these two data have been given to us. One is 20 meters and another one is 24 meters. So 20 is equals to u plus a by 2 into 14 minus 1, that is 13. And 24 is equals to u plus a by 2 into 18 minus 1 is equals to 17, right? So if you subtract these two equations, so it will be minus 4. This will get cancelled. So this will be a by 2 into minus 17 plus 13. So it will be minus 4 is equals to a by 2 into minus 4. This will get cancelled. A will be equals to 2. A we got as 2. Put a is equals to 2 in any of the equation, you'll get the value of u. So let us put this in here. So 20 is equals to u plus 2 by 2 into 13. So it is equals 20 is equals to u plus 13. U will be equals to 7 meter per second. So we just have to calculate for 15 seconds. So how do we calculate for 15 seconds? So 15 seconds will be u, that is 7, plus a 2 by 2 into 15 minus 1, right? So 7 plus 1, this is 20, 30 minus 1, that is 29. So 29 plus 7 is 36 meters. Everybody understood or not? Tell me. Anybody, any doubt? I'll explain it again. Do
Understood,
you have
sir.
any doubt? Very good, very good. Write it down. Quickly write it down. We will be going to the next question. Or do you have some other class after this? Do you have some other class after this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And at what time it is going to start?
320, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, then I'll be giving you the question as homework. Write it down.
Okay, sir.
Just let me know when I can change to the next page.
Sir, 2 minutes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed? All right. Write a question.
Yes, sir.
Question. A body is moving with a constant acceleration. Okay. So its velocity after 5 seconds. After 5 seconds is 25 meter per second. All right. And after 8 seconds, it is 34 meter per second. 34 meter per second. Find the distance traveled. Find the distance traveled by the object in 12 seconds. 12 seconds. So try to solve this question at home, and we'll be discussing this in the next class. All right?
Okay, sir.
Written, everyone?
Wait 2 minutes, sir.
All right. Done? Okay then. Thank you, everyone. Please keep solving questions.